All right, let's jump straight into this rapid fire explainer because we have three massive hardware stories to cover today. We're talking about a brewing storm that could make RAM cheaper than we've ever seen, a totally wild customer service win, and, well, a pretty sketchy move by Microsoft. Let's get right to it. $38.3 billion. Just wrap your head around that number for a second. SK Hynix is literally throwing that staggering amount of cash at brand new memory fabs over in South Korea. The original reports had it at 54 trillion Korean won, but however you slice it, it's a mind-blowing investment. So where's all that money actually going? Well, a whopping 25 billion goes to a massive new Yongin factory, and they're actually accelerating things to get the first clean room open by February 2027. Then you've got another 13.5 billion earmarked for a fab in Cheongju, where equipment is already rolling in for operations later this very year. But hey, they aren't doing this in a vacuum, right? Over in China, their largest draw maker, CXMT, is churning out around 300,000 wafers a month. But with huge expansions popping up everywhere, they're aiming to completely double that to 600,000 wafers every single month by 2027. Look, the memory market is a total roller coaster. If all this gigantic new production from SK Hynix and CXMT floods the market exactly as the AI hype finally cools down, we're going to see an insane oversupply. Inventory is going to pile up, and RAM prices could absolutely collapse to just pennies on the dollar. Okay, shifting gears to consumer hardware. Zotac just pulled off what might legitimately go down as the greatest graphics card RMA upgrade in history. Picture this. One incredibly unlucky guy spent $1,600 on an RTX 4090. Over the last year, he suffered through 4 completely failed RMAs. We're talking constant blue screens, system freezing, weird visual artifacts, the whole shebang. 4 replacements, and every single one was a nightmare. So with literally just a month left on his 3-year warranty, he hits up Zotac's US RMA team. And apparently, whoever looked at his ridiculous file finally realized they had to step up. They basically decided, you know what, enough is enough. And the resolution? Oh man, it's legendary. They gave him a totally free upgrade to a brand new, nearly impossible to find RTX 5090. Now the slightly weird catch is he only gets a 30-day warranty instead of a fresh 3 years. But come on, considering what a 5090 is worth right now, that is a spectacular trade-off. All right, for our last story today, we need to talk about Microsoft, because things are getting a little hypocritical when it comes to PC memory. Think back to November. Microsoft actually had a support article explicitly telling folks, hey, 32 gigs of RAM is the ideal upgrade for Windows 11 if you're gaming. They even said 16 gigs was just quote-unquote enough. Well, fast forward to today, and those exact recommendations are magically being scrubbed from their site. And what a wild coincidence, because this sudden deletion frenzy is happening exactly as they launch their new 13-inch Surface laptops, which are shipping with a measly 8 gigabytes of RAM for around $950. But here's the absolute kicker, the ultimate irony in all of this. That 8 gigabytes, it doesn't even meet Microsoft's own strict minimum requirements for their shiny new Copilot Plus PCs, which explicitly demand at least 16 gigs to function. You literally can't make this stuff up. So I've got to ask you, will the upcoming massive tsunami of surplus RAM finally force Microsoft to abandon the 8 gigabyte baseline once and for all? Or is the golden age of dirt cheap memory going to be strictly reserved for us custom PC builders? Thanks for hanging out with me today for this explainer, and remember to keep questioning the tech around you.